Okay, guys, so I haven't been recording in a minute, and yes, my hair is very dirty, but this is why I'm making this video. And well, my hair is not the reason why I'm making a video, but I haven't been recording in so long because my camera is broke and I need to get a new one, and I've been very busy. But every Sunday I always like reset or like clean up my room, do stuff that I have to do to make my week better. So I just decided that I was going to record this time and just make it a daily thing. On Sundays I would just put it like record a video, Sunday reset. And yeah, so I just have to do a lot of stuff. So I'm just going to talk to y'all, and y'all going to be here with me as I reset and get ready for the week and etc. So this is my room right now. The room is a little junky. It's very like disorganized. Like I started excuse me. I started washing my clothes on like a Friday, and I'm still not done. Like I was washing everything. Like I washed my covers. I want to wash my pillows and all that stuff. So yeah. So I'm started with this very unorganized shelf of mine. I feel like I threw so many things away out of this shelf, and it just still gets dirty. Like dirty on dirty and dirty. Like I don't get it. Maybe it's because I got so many toys, but yeah. I just dropped all of the ice water on the ground. I'm trying to set up the camera, aka my phone, and everything's just fell off to pieces. Like it just got worse and worse, and I don't even have anything to clean it up with. Oh, my towel. I was just cleaning it up with this. Like, oh my gosh. Sit. Not you, Lilo. Lilo, please. Now my dog is looking it up. Okay, so now I have this part clean and organized. Now I just need to clean everything off of the floor, and yeah, I'm almost there. Alright guys, I finished. I know I already said that, but I definitely finished this time because my bed is done, and since I worked so hard, I just rewarded myself with a break. A nice little break. And I have to clean off my mom's table because I was making that. It's like the clay, dry clay stuff. So I have to clean her table, and then I'm gonna take a break, and then I'm gonna do my hair. So I'm gonna be back. So bye. Okay, so I'm going to be washing my hair now. And then I decided that I'm gonna wash my hair and do like all I need to do with my hair, and then clean the bathroom, because if I have to clean the bathroom after I'm done washing my hair, I'm gonna go nuts. Okay. But for my hair, I use this to wash it. Well, I use that to wash it, but I have like stuff for my actual hair from the dermatologist. So yeah. Look at the curls. Well, it's not popping for real, because some of the hair is not even like washed because it's so thick, but it's getting there. But I need to change my shampoo. I want to change it to the Function, I think that's what it's called, but I haven't hit the funds for it. So when I get it, give y'all my honest review. But until then, I'm using what I got, and it's working pretty fine. So my hair actually grew a lot, and it got thicker. I think it's because of the dermatologist visit, but other than that, Okay, so I just got done washing my hair, and I'm gonna let it dry a little bit by itself because I don't like putting that much heat on my hair, especially when I'm about to flat iron it. I forgot to tell y'all, but yes, the girl is coming. It's, you know, it's the little flat iron season. Yeah, that's what the girls say. I think that's what they say. Flat iron, little silk press, whatever they want to call it. But it's coming out. It's coming out. I was going to keep going and just not talk or anything, but I just want to show y'all what I got from Ulta Beauty the other day because your girl is trying to get into her makeup era. And yeah, so I had got these 3 lip liners in black, brown, and a pinkish. And then I got this primer because people said it was good, and I'm on a budget and I don't do makeup that much, so that's one. And then I used this mist setting spray to get it better. And then I got this hairspray, like, to keep my hair safe when I flat iron my hair. I'm about to use this right now. Then I have this eyeliner pen. Then a foundation brush. So yeah, going back to working my hair. Hey y'all, I'm back at it again with the back at it again, and my hair is flat ironed, but it's not styled, so it don't look like, I don't like my stuff being bone straight, and I don't like it, well, I do, but I don't like putting that much heat on it when I know in the morning I'm going to style it. So I'm going to wrap it up with some ocean, and yeah, that's going to be it for my hair. And then I'm going to do my face and stuff, so okay, I'm done. Good night, bye.